Hello, my name is C Ulloa. Today I'm going to be presenting my arc length project. I decided to make my pathway a walk around the Dunkin' Donuts in my town. Usually when I go to Dunkin' Donuts, I order a toasted everything cream cheese bagel. Now this is a very unhealthy bagel. Not that most bagels are healthy. So sometimes I just walk around a bit to quote unquote burn off some calories. Today I'll be calculating how far I'm walking and how many laps around the Dunkin' Donuts parking lot I need to make a mile. When I was trying to sketch out the arc of my pathway, I first had to get some coordinate points. You can see the points that I chose on the upper right corner. The graph shown here is the result. It resulted in a parabola. On the bottom right corner, the formula for a general parabola is shown. The a, b, and c that I need to plug in are also calculated. Additionally, I'm given an r-squared value of 0.994. The closer the r value is to 1, the more accurate the graph is. I'm pretty close to 1, so I know I'm doing something right so far. Next, I just plug in my function into the arc length formula. The length of the curve is given by the integral from a to b of the square root of the derivative of the function squared plus 1. All I had to do was plug in my numbers. I chose the limits of the integral as 0 to 16 according to the graph on the previous slide. In the end, I calculated that the length of the arc is 20.1967. This is about 20 feet. Now that I have my estimated length of the curve, I can estimate the length of the entire pathway. This is easy. I add 20 plus 73 plus 135 plus 124 plus 92 to get a total of 444 feet. The actual length of the pathway is 436 feet. So next I calculated the percent yield and percent error to determine how accurate I was. Using the formulas shown on the presentation, I calculated the percent yield to be 101.83% and the percent error to be 1.83%. These numbers show that my calculations were fairly accurate. Now it is time to calculate how many laps I need to make Dunkin' Donuts to walk a mile. I'm going to use the length I calculated, although if I was using the theoretical number of 444, I would need to make more laps to actually make the mile. 436 feet is equal to 0.0825758 miles. This means that I would need to make about 12.11 laps around the parking lot to walk 1 mile. 12 laps might seem like a lot, but if you've ever tried a toasted everything cream cheese bagel from Dunkin' Donuts, you know that it's worth it.